This morning we were given an introduction into how the National Assembly for Wales works and how we might be asked to give evidence either for oral evidence or for written evidence or both, and just really how the whole policy would work and how we might be instructed as an expert. It's been really useful because I didn't have any idea of how it would have worked. It's very, very different to how I would normally give evidence as an expert witness in the forensic industry, but actually there are a lot of similarities as well, so it was quite reassuring by the end of this morning. It's made me a little bit more confident about the idea of giving evidence to a committee, mainly because I think a lot of women think that they have to have every single answer ready, and if they don't know absolutely everything, they won't want to put themselves forward. And this has definitely reassured me and made me want to be able to give evidence in future. We've now got to do some homework, so we've now got to write our own written evidence for the committee, and then we have to then come back in a couple of weeks' time to then give the evidence.